Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the CRUD REST APIs using the Node.js. So basically we are using the CRUD. So we are using the add users, delete user, update user and edit user. So let's have a look on that one. So here we have the list of the users. So there is no users right now. So add user. So here test and the test user we are going to add. So add. So here you can see that test user. You can edit that user. So test 123 and update test 123. You can delete this user with the help of the delete. Okay, so in the database at the same time that there is no data, right? So this is how we are going to do that. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So basically it's mysql with node.js. Okay, so database that we are using, that is mysql, and the backend that is we are using the node.js. So here we go with the code level. So this is the code level. So first of all we have the routes, views, then app.js. So main, that is configurations is there, configurations, routes, libs, app.js. First we check the app.js. Okay, so packages you have to install, that is Express, body parser, path, helmet. Okay, and after that we have to helmet for the security, right? And after that we have a connection string, lib connections, which we are requiring over here. Okay, and then we have the get route, that is a main endpoint slash middleware, that is slash API that we are using, then listing that which port, right? So first we do the configurations. So here we have a database connection. So let's go and check this one. So MySQL we are requiring database name from the config. So here you can see that the configuration, that is index. So here that DB name is API node, right? So whether you want to go with the, here you can define the database, that's also okay. That will not creating a new file, right? So here MySQL dot create connection. So I'm going to create the connection, right? If it is error, then through error, else it will log database is connected successfully, right? So this is the database connection. Next we are going with the routes. Okay, then we have a index.js route. So first we have the users list. So direct query is select star from the users db.query.sql and shown the result. Okay, if you want to create a new, okay, so it will render the new template. If you slash new, if there is a route, then go with the slash new, which will render the new template here in the vue.js views, right? So here we have the route that is called the new. So this template will render, which we have the information like the name and the surname. Then we have a value add. Okay, then which api slash create will call. So here we have to go with the index again. Then we have a api dot slash dot create. So this is the create. So insert into users and set, we have to set all, that is name and the surname of that one, and just redirect to the API users listing. Okay, so db.query will help you to insert the users which you are setting, whether it's to be username and the surname. Okay, after this creation, then we have a delete part and the edit part. So here you can delete, just you need to add the delete from which ID you want to delete, and the response dot send user deleted, right? Okay, and then same with the edit. So if you want to update the users, so whatever the name you want to update or the surname you want to update, you will go with this one. Okay, so update where ID you need to pass. Okay, then it will done. Go with the edit part here. So what we are accepting, so API create for the creation of the users. Then we have, this is edit part, right? So here we have the edit part. So if it is form update, then we are taking the name field and this one, then we are calling the API. Okay, so here we have the API to call submit location href url api.exist put url. So here you can see that whatever the URL we have defined, you have to go with that one and then edit that one, right? New we have already discussed, that is API create. Then we have a delete also. I think there should be a pop-up, I guess, in that one. Okay, so here we have the index. Okay, then we have the edit, right? So in edit part, what we have here, so API create for the creation. Let me word wrap this. Okay, so complete the data for that one. Else, if the length is 1, then that means we have to go with this one. Else we are there is no users found, and otherwise we are going to go with the init partial scripts. So here we have partial script.egs. Okay, then we have the delete functionality. So let's go and check this one. So here we have the document. Okay, so add the users. So here we have the, let's check the network also. So first, if you go and just add this one, so which API is called, that is API. Now we have API users, before it is different one, right? Then we have a edit. On the edit screen you can see the API edit with this part, right? When we click on the edit screen, so here we go with the index.egs. There is user egx, yes, this is part, right? So here you can see that API delete. So here we are passing the reference API delete with the ID, API edit with the ID, right? And after this we are just calling this one, if I go and just click on the delete user, then exist or delete URL for delete that one, and location dot reload, or you can send the message, or you can add the toaster that the user has been deleted successfully, so you can do the rest without location reload. Okay, see, and in the edit part, just we are opening when you click on the edit screen, right? User ID, so you have to calling the edit part, edit screen, this is the edit one, and you have to add the one, add over here, and just edit the call the edit API, right? So this is basically a CRUD operation in the Node.js. Very easy, very simple, right? So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.